you how you move. I tell you. It is 30 minutes after 3. The Patrafin I do a video to a higher at Dom 106.3 FM. Na ababa wabia na oba bewie eye medical school. Na onya problem kakra na the way na nyoma si edin ma no no ohwe babia na enhwe otwa nani hwe babia no emwa ntume ma over no ne papa school fees kra na ne papa etua no no kra no edin aside no no oko school so yade bebre ebobo no sometimes obeko hospital beba na ne classmate no mo sua de akura agu nachi na ababa we edru baby na adwen ne say baby edu no abrabo ni mu aye den asi ama no otwa nani hwe baby a entwa na nani da so nyina asa enam so ema ne na adwen say school no kura onko bio obesesa ne nioma akofie na so nyina osesa ne nioma de fa car chata taxi odru fie na ne papa wo fie ne papa ye adwuma wo fie odru ana ne papa hwe me baba wo pedi of say da afa kura de mabre school no lecture kura chema de mi hu da na me call hospital me nya time kura nhua de sika mponi ho o brands watumi atua me school fees ama me ye bre into school no kura me nko bi o ehwa na ne papa ne ma na wanga na so nkoto kosua monomra kokoto kosua no wanga na de bae o de bae no say me baba kosua na ekuta na fato from agemu na fa hwe from ne mpai o say da bi say me ja kosua na say kosua ne hwe from e be pai e pai a kosua ne be sei o say sa ene sa dia sansuo bra e fa gubo mu bra ena ne baba e ko sansuo di gubo mu bae silver chance o de bae ne yedi ko si ja so ena o say fa kosua no fa tu nsuo ni ena odi kosua ni tu nsuo ni ena mu jai man nsuo ni si ja so be 30 minutes nsuo ni huruya na kosua ni dem nsuo ni huru na kosua ni dem kosua ni hwirida na hwirida ye after 30 minutes na ni papa ka say onko yi kosua ni free nsuo hye ni mumra ena okoyi kosua ni bae oyi kosua ni bae no so ohwane ho me fa so ba be hwane kosua no table bi so na di kosua ni bo ho pa ena say meba na sata ma di kosua mo no ne ba me ka se fa hwe ho no so mfa hwe ho afa dia wo de bobo ho sesen o se da se kosua ne ano awie ya no akosua na awie nko ade ye betumi ahwane ho ena dada se ede ba de no wasua wo de asimu sisia o to se me nsua hwe o se me ba nya akonwa na me nkyerɛw won se unya kosua ne foforo no me ka se fa kosua ne hwe ho no wan fa hwe ho because na usuro se kosua ne be pai but kosua no efa hit mu ye no a ofa anibre ofa jamu wie ye no kosua no sese na be kosua denden ama ne ubetumi apemu di mako adi ahyemfimfi no abo no todwe ewo wanum no si dada mpa o kosua ne fa hit no efa amane efa problems efa hit ni mu nyina wie ye no etumi abenye ama fe yetumi ahunu kosua no so mfa so se ye baba bedi ni atumi anyamo ahoden e de na me pa kire any hard situation bi a u komusisia no every problem bi anu a u komusisia no mema situation mema ni overtake you pass through the situation pass through such challenging situation bi a face you abrabomo na the good thing is say o pass through sa animia nimu a o pass through sa obranimu a o pass through such challenging situation mu ade ye a man will come out as a more stronger person upie frame as a more experienced person upie frame as a more matured person in life and it is situation bi a wo komu no mema situation no mema ne nka wo nhye pass through na nyamensa wo mu nko ade odo be kwawe ye padodo wo de ane so obenya gidie woni mu o na challenging situation bi a wo komu no se eye face ebetwam eye step ebetwam ni nyina betwam adabi de wo betwa wani ahweche se hey chale me pa na asem we to me a mitumi famu me pa na mane we to me a mitumi famu esan se o won kwa na o wade kosua ne agye ne foforo ka se di anka wuni ye no awie ye ne de o de mekwa hye me ka che kosua ansa wo peje ni mo sabolai can you imagine afternoon, Ghana. Welcome aboard. This is Ophir Kwanzaa Radio on Adom 106.3 FM. Me did the question up here from a black eye. Me tell me the Jerry Justice. Papa Bills Eboye. African Eboye. Nana Bedide. I'll go agayo. I don't know why. Every year wunti any abab. And it's more feeding in the honey and to men so much papa be. Me chechi amunina chichi ni benche. And I brochure for no sumi chechi amopa. Matesi I say Wednesday si dia for brochure for. And until I brochure for enche be activate phone line no. Na brochure for mo de mo ye. Mo de mo seda. E dia brochure dia poisa say nyame ni mo di ni ye pa. When you hear cry the brochure the when you hear cry na your weather. When you hear cry the na your skin as well. Freshness ni wo. Enko yes you benya nice skin the ababa beji Ghana for easy cry. Anyway, me pacho baby I will be a memo akwa badi abadwumede is your friend Ophir Kwanzaa right here on Adom 106.3 FM. You are work in progress, what it? Say, nekebe. Yeah, man.
You wrote me off, but God called me in. I may be down, so you say I'm a man. Meaning, I'm maternity. Oh, come me with me, so no don't have. I'm bound to win. Empty shot, not shabby view. Cause I'm a work in progress. Oh, yeah, me watching my home. Oh, baby, me watching my one. Carry move. Meaning, I'm maternity. Maria, baby, guess about. And show me home, my won't fear. And for me, pray to be and carry me. That's a bash I say, I get to where we want. And show me home, my won't fear. And for me, pray to be and carry me. That's a bash I say, I get to where we want. I've been sent, she rocked the money pie off the phone. Or bread, you man, Febin come. Or Sulu, she run one, now she run. The pep, your answer, men say no. Watching us, I've been one in him. Made them watch, no pumpy. Ninja in the muda. Open me bonnie up back to sender. They don't give me money, time for one. Oh, you don't see the wall. Oh, you don't see the wall. Tell me where this road dumb. But in my cheek, I'm bound to win. Oh, yeah, me watch you, my home. Oh, yeah, me watch you, my one. Oh, carry moon. Meaning, I'm in a dinty. Maria, I can't survive. And show me home, my won't fear. And for me, represent you, and every me. As a mash, I say, I get to where we want. God called me in. I may be down, so you say I'm a man. Meaning, I'm maternity. Or can be women, zero dumb hair. Or didn't I'm bound to win. It's a shit, not show me beyond. Cause I'm a working progress.
Serious pa. Men at work. No trespassing.
Meaning, I'm maternity.
Me pacha brochure for my crowd there. Monje me telephone line I'm on fan 2 years and me was supply and be activating my journey. Okay, move it to me from CC and yan chen come on. Nyame agye woni wabusua. Passion and current tabaso. Obi ma so abrabo nya yizo so ni nyina mu o. Nyame nim ne ba ogusu ahira ne ma. And na wi yemfa na ye yemre no e. Se wo Europe, se wo US, se wo Asia, se be bia wo hye bia. Middle East cry yan chen come on. Ah. Obi abaso. Hello, good afternoon. Oh. Hello. Hello. Yes, they say Jabrafe na do tashi beach who afe na eba. Call neighbor. The telephone line in here 0302 216 561 0302 216 562. Ewie ye biemu di ama Ghana for mo amanone. Ye mo kwan mo afra Adom FM so ne dia ye ama twedi ampo na ewie. Na the Ghana code no +233 no dia share nim ne din enkasa. 0302 216 561 216 562. I don't need a telephone ID did you man area. I brought you for me and my brother come on kakra ne mfa twedi ampo aye ye mre. Ni nyina mu onu Africa Diamond Cable Company for the one tire cheap paper. Feco spray starch. Wojina ya cheap botchi. Mega boom. And sujina ya nim tachi. GT Bank and Sukra and T and Sray Sikasem. Yancho check come on. Never. 20 more minutes hour to the top of the hour 4. I swear. Hallowed be your name. Thy kingdom come. Thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread. Oh Lord. Yo, hello.
Black Eye.
Yeah, now I knew.
Kwame
Kachre butu hinio.
The global ambassador Mibutu Copenhagen, Denmark.
Afa. Na say abosa wa Denmark.
About 5:45.
Denmark say about 5. Hey, ready Javi. Unya ize. Na wi anyame ajo no abusuan o yafa na ye mre no e.
Yeah. Like I'm saying, nyame bebre.
That's right.
See, you're quiet benyina na eyanadom so we cannot withhold, the blessings and the praises of God, but we got to release and we got to praise Him. We got to, say, God, you've done much. Oh, the American is saying, me da wasi bebre.
You know. Guapa, bro, for some. Yeah. Da.
Give us more blessings.
I tell you. Him say we are bosumi adwuma na wo je bosumi akatua e wasa wo di wakatua no odi fa guarantee trust bank GT bank esan say wo je wakatua di free GT bank anytime bi an here quick loans e dia soto ho dia 10 bi GT bank be soto outright e bia na ho here ska dia tua nkoda ni fees e bia na nyoma na wo kra begu port no pe cash bi dia clear dia free ho e bia na ho here sika bi dia ye 10 bi fast but unya say sika no anka bosume so anka ba betua don't worry once I woje bosume akatua nko ade guarantee trust bank ebe sorto out heavy one pa yo now I know
no I don't know
hello now I know me pa cha fra say
Efrem Obaya
shahinie
o say
o ka sa free he
me ka sa fi UK o me wo Chelsea SW10 yes
adwuma na si wo ha na wie sa nyame age oni wabusua de wa se de ayeye bre no to what Chelsea SW10 de na adwuma na si ya no
you said yeah o si enchi abusuafo na ye ne abusuafo nkasa nti menso mabaso
yo wadaroma before so we be abusuafo no da nyame ase fama wabusuafo uwie na wa abusuafo tu bia na wa chia
last Wednesday na kame free na ye me baby sister we di 60 kame man happy birthday but me free ya nyi.
That's right.
My baby sister auntie belated birthday your friend Grace Chum. A man happy belated birthday.
That's right.
Na me chia busuafo nyina wo Ghana achim kwa mai na me frame ye kunti hine wo.
That's right. That's right.
And I say my grandson our holidays wo ho ene na oba. May wish you a happy holiday wo Ghana. Me ya ureku wo nkran. Ene me ba Kwame George. Nyina wo nkran na wo fa no mo wo achim kwa mai.
That's right.
Officially Abna Stella. And of fire some so you are at the hospital and the man is speedy recovery.
Oh, you what fire? That's right.
Michiamon so me ba be hwehwem.
E kwa bia so oba no ma hwehwe kwa be ma bia na ifo achewo.
Me ba papa.
You ma me jaminka ho ai, jaminka ho. You
hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Now how are you? Yo, na okasa free he Brian.
The Casasi London.
London.
Yes.
Me da say adwuma na si wo ha na awiai ya fa nyame ayeye mra no e sa so ajo no abusua.
You had the day pass so. From January to December, my home myself, the Yari and call hospital, baby, I'm a corner, me back, me tree. Then plan put that. Even bread is one time, but I'm just saying, I'm a young couple or has a food. I'm a young couple, so I say, I'm a mom who I don't know from Yara. I'm my Bolivia, come on. I'm a free out, yeah, that's a chance. The young couple has
Yo, Brian, Yaminka, why?
Good.
Wabusia for wa hewa Ghana. Wa mu odoma hinkro.
Yes, doma hinkro chilema sina doma kasa.
Ena doma kasa. Oh, that. Papa. I swear. Ta. Bass a few. Chica few. Do. Da. Me pa Charles say woje monthly salary nko adia wo betumi anya quick loan e dey free guarantee trust bank unyan baby GT bank e bia na wo hia ska busumi no mu di ahwa abusuan tentem na bia wo de wakatua de atwa so a GT bank be soto out dodo woje monthly salary nko adia for ni GT bank branch bia sanka do monthly salary for han ko mbe boa wo pa Dwihubio. Guarantee Trust Bank. Wouldn't you rather bank with us? Now saying tuntumu ba omo ye stubborn say. And tuntumu ba say kra de o the mosquito coil and mosquito spray ni spray omo kra na fe charge wo omo more. Because entumi nku omo. Bo se omo abu so omo LMC na womo ani so tete wom na hangover ne kwa ntontomo ani hangover ko oba show rough me pa chopi mesra e free na ko ope eye ntontomo aduro tatahwe a edini de mega boom edini ne honamse o mega boom wait up on you mega boom Mega boom insecticide spray. Mega boom mosquito spray. Any here can for the amefie bia. Eboa ekum tuntum ni nyina free ho. Enta frani nyina bedwane. Mega boom ne bo no so da fom yie pa. Holy Spirit. Madakra. Mega boom #heavy one pa. Eja so baby abenya mega boom bi wo hatumi atawa. Ekum ntontoma hyewa se kodwo to. Etu phone for 0544 343 064 0544 343 064 Mega Boom insecticide spray and Tuntum Master no was run raw. Say wow, what dress and son we pia bonte kra now confidence level no how to say yes arise pa who say wow, what dress now pia bonte how to say yes of him near high what dressing pona cash and show ho kra we okay aye it's say wow to say what boshada no from head to toe na dressing ni be si pia ejina how wa obe ayone watade no na watade no so say obe ayone ama ayone na ye complete a wo hia feco spray starch wow the two atade atum say yes atade ni gina ho heavy pa feco spray starch fa to ade na hu say yes o de ebo ba kwa kumenu ma mi feco spray starch ebo ma atade no ani ada ho aye straight in no na say ja nice scent nice fragrance. What? Feco spray starch. Nkwana benya ni say you nya ni baby a. Eja so baby abenya feco spray starch bi o atumi ato. Samara Company Limited for on the feco dia badwa so. Feco. Jesus. Fatu atade. Na honya fe why? Down himself information be South Africa abapa. Akrofoni bi wo mo vim ni high pa. Akrofobia tumi awura eye South Africa for wo mo police head pa police fo nyina chief. Police head wo mo tumi abo awura ni fie pa ko wia ni TV. Can you imagine? Holy Spirit. South Africa Akrofo tumi awura police chief fie pa kwa in plasma TV di adwane. Akrofo wo mani nsade o. Amama kai those days. E Madina Zongo Junction. Kama mete malam no. Me faka no Madina Zongo Junction anwumre. Na oduru Madina Zongo Junction yo bo se nipa bibreje obi e petrotro. Bo se boys ni bi nso omo de omo adwene omo de omo bag na bo omo anim aso omo petrotro ni ba bi akoboa. Ka ni be gina wa ye nyina from so omo so tause omo chi. Na we na soja ni pani mi be gina ho. Ye jati mala man to obi e rashi na soja ni pani so yes ono so rashi akofa pe. Na ni tranye wa nkoka ni mi. Oben ho na ye ma e na osa be gina na obegina no de ne sa she ni botom se ohwe ne wallet ne ne phone. Zongo Junction wa ohwe ni botom nyina empty. Soja ni pani ono agina ho ohwe left no ohwe say hey Charlie. Enkoda we wo moni nso hade akra o. Yeah, where you are, was any so idea. Yeah. Da. Do. But according to the National Fire Service, Holy Spirit, we wait on a dime bebrana say enkrofofie bebrena e hyehye no. Bebrena ehhehye no bebrena no eya na wires cable na wo mo delay wo mo electric wires ni nyina no sa cables na bebre inferior Inti the chance dan so sana se heat ne kana wo sana ne na ne sana na rubber na free wo se nade ne mienu ne kase ani se twe na eja daru efie bebre hyehye wo Ghana ha weak wiring wo mo the inferior cables no mo di lay wo mo wires ni nyina wo fie ho nti enche bia 6 months 1 year heat kan kakra bia bo sana ne enya nane na efie no hia na ehye me pa chopi se wo si wo dan ana se wo ye renovation bi wo fie baby a edu no wo behia cables wo behia wiring na mesrew don't compromise on quality wa brand wanya sika na na wo di si dan no anything make sure say wires pan na wo pese e mfa wire wo fie ho make sure say on compromise on quality o ma wani ti bebre an hwe ya 10 years time so wo dan na hye make e kra bi a wan say insure asem nko Enunti say oye electrical and now ye electrician who tie me na wanya contract say o so kokko lay wires use signal cables we are building contractor estate developer ankrankra musimo dan mu use signal cable abribia eno na ye quality signal cable ne papa e bia gina so ache
hello black eye
yeah na why ni o
your friend Kojo
eja Kojo shehin
Mr. Washington DC Northwest.
Osha Washington DC.
Northwest. Yes.
Northwest.
Annie.
It is say Abasan ewa Washington DC Northwest is here.
They say I come back 4 minutes now, but we are no Dumienu.
We are Dumienu. Okay, I think I kwakwa midday ewa Washington DC Northwest.
Yes.
Okay, yo, na area yemfa ayeye emfamre trade and poison so ajo ne wabusu nyina yenti o.
Bi Nyankopon asese. Waye bebre na ma me Nyankopon adawroma. Me yire ne me manyina wukrum hanom. Obia so ye ejuma omoyo university ni ade ntimi de Nyankopon asepa ye waya ma me.
That's right. Now anyebia mo president ne hu ye de e wa America.
Oh yeah, Trump ne hu ye Osho.
Yes
de o ye bia me nye dipa nyina ne tim won. On say ebi ada o mu hopukuzi ni ati kroma.
Sa.
Ai.
O se ebi ada ne wo mo ho de ai.
Apukuzu. Obodo on sa kanu a o de kiki o on kan.
Prukusu pao. Ready jame. Anye ize. Na unim say na make bibi dia chiro e dia fa signal cables ho. Me pa cha ope eye conduit cable ato a eye signal cables. Ope flexible cables ato a eye signal cables. Ope PVC cables ato a eye signal cables. Ope armored cable ato a eye signal cables. Ope data cable ana cable bi ato a eye signal cable. Signal cable bi anu obeto de free eye Africa Diamond why eye signal cable no. Ya consider Ghana ha ye weather no heat ni na consider ye de eye cable no. Eno ti cable na hoodin wo. Last longer ne bo so da form ye pa. Etu form for an interest tema community 7. Obehunu Africa Diamond Cable Company. One tema technical any GTP one temu ho an wo hye. Between tema technical any GTP one temu ho an wo hye. Yem pick your for twa to ene.
Hello.
Now why you? Yeah. Me patrol tema community 7. Tema technical any GTP mfimfim ho na obehunu eye Africa Diamond Cable Company. Furniture na beje eye signal cable senior for free ho. Baby any for 0303 309499. 0303 309499. Oko electrical shop bia mu o my Ghana hanso a obenya signal cable sibi ho na nso atumi atodi ahwe how far. The nation's cable. Signal cable. Ofie kwanso ebufu abusua me di de kwasi apia obetimi afra me black eye. Atom 106.3 FM. Ofie kwa sunie. Ye wa ha kopem se nonsia ebebo na nonsia nyambo ye nkoa de.
Atom FM, all the hits and more.
That's right. Bringing the time to 6 minutes after 4. This is Ophir Kwanso Radio on our Doom 106.3.
Ophir Kwanso, Ophir Kwanso, Ophir Kwanso, Ophir Kwanso, Ophir Kwanso, Ophir Kwanso.
Ebufia, me didn't decrease up here. Obet me a friend with black eye. No doubt about that. Now, any kuda perku edition of a Ophir Kwanso midweek's edition. But Nyamiya Adum weekendi Adum TV so be dankasa weekendi Adum TV so obele ngege onye easy crowd. Nina say yeah the Adepam season 1, yeah the grand finale near the bro. Adepam season 1, grand finale near the bro this weekend. It's Empire Asia crowd. Now, Sisi Ameka said, Mesa Kanye channel coordinator, Adum TV, Kobe Sean Ewaha. Yani chuchen common fanfa at the Pam season 1 grand finale na Ebas weekend. Yeah. Kobe.
Yes, sir.
Sure, no, all about that Beankasa. Weekend, that Ben all about.
Sorry, Kwesida, yes.
Okay, all by the way.
Well, Mikado Conference Center, formerly known as Kama Conference Center.
Okay.
Kama Conference Center.
Okay.
Now, Mozikan Maminchia, it's a funina.
That's right.
But the one I said, Okoda was Adum TV, Madum TV are number 1. Michobia, yes, someone there, one Koda Adum TV. Number 1 who Ninka Kremama, Nakasin Naban or Bana.
Definitely.
You will say for them, yes, share at the Pomasan. Oh, there. But in the way in the Baza way, the Bimbada, the Biadum TV, the Mayan, and the Bimba than Yazaba.
That's right.
Yes, that's the Pombeno. Oh, they may be Monia Joe by Chino, Bian in your home. Now, one phone call from Brennan and a J-Bo, Budru. Sunday, yeah, crown the Ghana's number 1 fashion designer, Ghana, Mikado Conference Center.
That's right.
And see, Obia, able to Maba. And then Tumba, about 5 o'clock penance on TV home. Now, share.
Okay, live
on Adum TV.
Okay. No. Okay. Inti, everybody na expect weekend.
Yo, that might be a no. Contestant no pomade. You know what pomade we are now with Asha models. The models not no why judge one.
Okay.
Or the way you beef man, the way you film.
That's right.
Or the callback we are not Afro will be there on some back home. You know. Now, Kusides no or strong kong because in Zama Waba Pomno, in fact, the bimba won't be that because apart from tax, it be no that mono. Why, at in China, as a Bamfos also artist, Nankasa no Nankasa impression or from Pomazoko, Nankasa imagination or from Pom Bibi strong kong.
Okay.
If you saw, China Turner, Wapom Pomina, models, okay. We are as a young. Soothing music in yum a papa is our word.
That's right.
Since Banaboriano, triple do. Ever here at the pom when you ever here at the pom, stars na be so it's a mark. See them there,
most definitely. Now, everybody bet you be guitar.
Miss someone on you, Jeffrey. One another woman in a year. I mean, you're there.
Usually, these shows, yet is comfort by so Ghana. Montreal 15 Obi person ba ho bebe shebia.
Black messing coffin na msumaza wojiska ekota ko baby a wosro wojiska wojide no bibia kabisa makata na makata so debi wojiska na
so you can say on authority there program no oye free
ya
say dress na no abusuan for
dress na brantam so that the benya baby papa na atena.
That's right.
Wo condition one there baba ntam look good, dress good, red carpet it's a pede red carpet da me you the address to kill. So that will give you the chance on the red carpet.
That's right.
Now, kona nyi pay for kids in Komo.
That's right.
They will try about TV though.
That's right.
My condition on one.
Fantastic.
Dress. This is dress. Now for water. Papa bina share. Na but no. Na enjoy.
All right. So, our final message will be what? Niente o niye fanso.
Pede meka chobia there. Consider 5. Let's enter Mikado Conference Center. Na nada enter TV one air the poma no me so da ayo. It's a make a date with Adum TV. They bro nzama obonwaji Adum TV the American ya wanzama papa ngotin.
That's right.
Ya wanzama papa ngotin yes so nyo consider 5 o'clock nzama papa never boshe.
Definitely. Channel coordinator na Martin and Kano. Now, yes, you're by Jina will be near the Munyam. I'm a actually.
No child and Bampanka, money.
Copy a shot, thank you so very much. Good. Oh, yeah, channel coordinator Adam TV. And your day at the Palm Season 1 grand finale. They brought those weekend. And home come out any actually say. This is Adam 106.3 FM. And Chebia at the Paul and Silas at the Bebro, but Koswana Koso. Ewo Abrabum. Now, when him say Paul and Silas Monday, no. Yeah, the Monday the any share free gym. And then you mamo double dose. And you're born times 2. Everyone so enjoy Paul and Silas. But before that, no, Unia Koswana Koswati.
Koswana Kosu. Koswana Kosu. Koswana Kosu. Onyami be. Koswana Kosu. Grandche nipa neshe Nansara teacher di finyame chain Je di ensu ni geti kwan Ni na ni nyame asem Tusufa utu ni pasuwe Nipa mu ansu ya di kitwe bi Nansu ya ti kwa mu diye Ni da so mu bia Sudian son into was ye ain't you nyami be eya she hunde if you say opera yonku don't if I yesu yonku power kwa she you wansa no ano be you kosuwa nyami be yeah tikwa mwi ani da sonya sae kosuwa yeah, think from me. And it does all more. Pasuana Pasu. Onyami Bay. You say, yeah, think from me. And it does all your side. Pasuana Pasu. Onyami Bay. Yeah, think from me. And it does all more.
Nti Koswana Kwaso mema bibia mbu abem ewa brabo mu da yesi wani so apeso ye bia keep on keeping on because when there is life there is hope baby ayadui de me pa chow pi baby ayadui mo amahu enya bo 415 say no dia yes okay yeah. Me pacho because a Monday no. Yen to me and for Paul and Silas Ambremo no. And ye bomb double dose pa. Ye bomb double dose here right here on the show. Ye bomb double dose ankasa. Enti yansha and your first episode Paul and Silas ye we are na me the second one no asa tauto.
So etiefo ye mwadwo emmakwaba e de badwumadi so. Media ne opani kwa medu ameti agya ba kufie wa ablekuma. Yo etiefo se mo beka ya. E bla Paul ne Silas e ye o madwen se mbebu opani ne twani a ofri America abruchimemu e ba ye no. E ye opani Scalafush e ho asem e na mekan. Omo ye ya wo mantimi a wo moto e da ho no. Se de if you ye no omo ye o madwen se ombetu bata akopa ba bia hye kakra if is empani se ehuruguruguru a ebedwo ne se modwo a ombesan ya ba agya ba kufie ho no masa beto ma brabo so
Paul Silas me enko
anen atiachi
na ka tenten
abose
2 o se 3 o se bad so abese me enko la bia beda ha man kan chode me meda ha am ye diskari nyina botu aka se ya be ya asian ko
na diskari nyina ada ha no me na me
dama
me de tre
Besa bibi o mada ho ma shoma ada ho awu
ma mengu ende mi wu na me nkoe
yo boko so bese me enko
me da ka ma me na kwa me de
empenyisi humeni suma minti na chimie no na
madam
yes
yo ye fonti o sa fini ai
okay me pasa wa the call 200
sesen
enche eni da obeze we fia 200 but wa da brother
dane
and so they would fear 200 extra.
sesen ye me fia 200 extra
Oh, Abansi, I don't know, Casasa. Mentiri. Oh, by craning, you see, and now, Casa.
Madam, Jaja, Munia, no Casa.
Say, Anya Casa. Say, Anya Casa, Yenisipia at the mount.
If you see, but some more, some more shada.
Yakasa, oh,
crying in your dean and a casa.
Oh, no, for 200 cities.
Eh,
Yes, Yan, Enfiasra, Fiobey,
Obesia, Papa, Obesia, Pa.
Oh, you
What they make on to one fear. Won't you have to an mamma for police?
a Befre police. Police bay.
About how was the whole crime of Pusukake?
Why, me and I no.
Hey, oh no, see me, si come me.
Yes,
Yes,
yes, message on that.
Matthew Wake.
Hey,
Hey, Paul, I can say need to your time, Papa.
Oh, no, Mama. It's not sharing, you know. It's men your baby and
Ah, Paul, no, mum, no, you're buying a 12 phone, be the 12 phone number and maybe.
Anna,
I don't police for police, but my betching here.
now just a minute answer. My family, made a teacher Thomas on an argument woman. Minister Thomas, and the more for a jabbercon.
I don't account.
Ah, but the more for account.
Hey, that's all about who won't hear you.
Oh, nothing, I'm Kobe.
Bona, Silas, a young family,
Paul, Salas.
A scanner work or young shot. Nti last was some Nanakan.
Master May.
Last is a condomis was said bad about it.
Condomist. I don't say anything.
You know, I can't go school, watch all Miss Maboshi's schedule by yes, Kaye and Yamaman.
Ah, economist.
Yeah. Oh no,
another condomist.
Mametin.
I don't know idea.
And the scanner wakan. Young Shen ye say about to turn Yamaka Crabia, we have baby a Bocobia or Bob Way, and your master. Oh, a t-shirt, a BNB, suppose seminar, blush at the bush, yes, and to whom and Yaman, and to whom. I don't say the idea. Ah, you're very at the pay here.
Boroba.
Huh?
Tower. And the I don't know near the idea.
No, say, I want baby a Bocobia, and you should claim there, or Yamaka.
Silas. She, in penny forecasting me. Yes, say, oh, a dear dinner.
I tell her what the donor.
There be that. A dear Baco. Any here where you say, ah, who bet me diaco.
Badin,
near what we am. Ah, a Diane, pen a bit me diaco. It is a caway. Say, a year walking into whom, over to me, a stew, I did by it.
Davy,
brass, over to me, I city, I did Gary.
The body choose.
Ain't you what you choose to be a dinner, Betty? Why do you know? Oh, where been a bit one, Mintiasia. Auntie Scanny, young offended by saying, Yenny. Ewa ya yem ni enseno ewiase beje die ye gidi owiase
Paul mes manyama kwan ndi ya san kwa wo for hon kwa cho
wan
wo fa jabe ko
ejabe memi nkwa jabe ko hon pan cho sesen
na ya san kwa tene fi na ye mpa bibi wo anye
memi nkwa jabe ko hon ne enkwa jabe ko ho kira
na skani ndi say no asan ya bere
hwe de be ye ni say ye nko madamfo koku so kai no ni ya di speaker siko si no yankɔ no
what down so
man yankɔ no ho ni yankɔ kanche ne say oh ya tu ya fifie nti ni yanka kanche ya ba bete yankɔ tena ho bia be 1.5 years bi
1.5 years obepen
empenisi humenisu maminti na chimienu nam
Ngwa usula la paz achimota dan suma etimeti mbant market yankoko la paz Ngwa usula la paz achimota ushi dan suma kiti dume la paz Yes.
Why?
Ngwa usula la paz achimota ushi kiti dume la paz nkoko la paz
oh ene ko dan suma nzene onko ho
Mumefo
ya ko dan suma yo
mumefo ebeko
na wo ka na ko baby abi
ko ngwa usula la paz achimota ushi dume kiti yankoko la paz Bra, you be you amaka, bra. You be you amaka, bra.
But you are someone canny, Niana.
Therefore, I better how be you amaka, bra.
Yes, plant.
Hey, bet na dance my
for CD 73 pesos.
Hey, Alan, you have to petrol man.
Aye.
Daben.
Ochina.
Mate, spoken so by Jimmy say.
Book us about 25 for Magic.
Rabbit.
Yes, black passenger.
Madam, your go at you, the Messi Bantam, I say.
100 CDs. 100 CDs.
Your man,
There be new man in 45. Yes. Second seat.
Paul.
Salas.
Yes, can on son.
Are send on.
First it is 73 pesos no can on son. Waka 3 cities 80 pesos.
And I said this a mutual me.
Da be me pia. No way be best robu kan no agbawa.
Only never for you go try the mommy.
It's can also if anything but you got
Jimmy D.
You got to la.
Day.
You got back and a family of me.
On your betchen.
Jimmy D.
You got to I had to family bien you got to quit.
You go try Mr. Fred because you never could run a memory.
What on could you ever cook?
Bitombi wa. Hey, what because you say? Mammy, because you mean. Me pejene baby. On pedi achinso.
You got to family you got to me.
Boss, you the answer. Was you you?
I'm ready have you. Hey, Paul. I've told you sick and Salas. Me said that I be young. Me said I said a mihu. Timiano or Popena.
Dama.
No Popena Satina. A panisana on Yiska. Me you got me. Now tell you. The fan nice, no. I feel I'm the fan nice. Be coming.
How my dynamo?
No. Hey, Paul. Hey, me wo. Hey, mate.
Ole.
Money no go pocho.
Masa wa anfa me sika ma me no be wuro. Masa wa ntua me ka no obi ansi fomo.
It's no phone number na bende.
Me no phone na ya me sika.
19 all wonu. Oh we ask.
No be we who so be.
Ehuro plan e free na no be. Mu fa no kwa na de na mu ye. O be wo anfa me sika ma me ansa no awu.
Awu sha.
Silas, I young go family.
Hey, Paul, Silas.
I'm being basa.
Bomidi mame. Bomidi mame. Your friend is saying.
Paul.
Your friend is saying.
Paul.
Hey, me bomb adie. Say me catch me say nyambotre mame. Na sister no so betu my otis kan.
Da bi no so betu ntimi sure do my mate.
Na ko for see ensi for mo so otis kan fini ho.
Me jai na me say o ba kire he. O na
hey. Mama say yes.
Paul na Salas bi mu. O maka o mu. A wo so adota o mu nsu akrokra. Omo de omo ntere kesin atie si abonten eja ba ekonso ena ba bi omo koyi woni hoyi omo abrabo yi ebewie won seni ebre ene nkrabia ene be kire okina obo ade dum ye na adum bi dum ye ne a ahaya ene ye beto aso midia opani kwa me do ametaja ba kufi wa ablikuma makramu
eja kwa me ye nkyɛnkyena o ene ya yesa bosu bio sɛnea me promise mo sɛ ene ye ma mo double dose no ye sign the second dose no me sa de peso e di amao
jo etiefo me mamadwo e mama kwa aba midia ne opani kwa me do ametaja ba kufi wa ablikuma Paul na Salas atimi aduadue mu abepie kwa kufi na munim sɛ kwaku wo wanka mo betimi akɔ ne fie na ye den ena mokokotra ho hojibia ho eye hotel ho ese musika nyina ansa na mo bei Paul ne Salas obrei o mu boni seni
ago
amen
hey Kaku
oh Paul
yeah
Kaku Kaku vi
Paul
akuku kavivi What is that me pewasem
me pewasem
what is that me na fo nyine wo wiase una onim nyansa una like me
na konso
we dey anya bone bone cry ye okrum na we dey Koku we be say asem bi na on say we dey menem wo fa na yenya eyi kakra bi on say me me mpa me ho asem yete ho saa na mo fa oba yenya hwio no say muntu munko na ka say oh wo fa adede ni aye
on say yenya hwi po ayentu on no de ni fie mo pe no de ye
oh ade no yes sir
aden we bisa asem aden na say na nkofo bi titi fie wo mo ka ye ho asem oh minim de Silas ye
na mam so me nyima Paul so po ye
enti de ka ko siri se sia de ye ni ba bi da enti nanka ye hwesenka wo ya madam fo brebo I'm no to say I'm from a crown family. Also, my son from a crown to me. Said I'm no tea. Into Yabasan here Hasanka, Yababet now in Chambia. 1.5 years, Bina.
1.5 years.
Hey, maybe 1.5 weeks.
1.5 weeks. And cry. I said, you won't.
You're down for noon, said you have a bit
of 1.5 weeks in the day. Oh, say, Binya Ho. What does it? Baby, oh, or any papa hope. And I said, I may now ho. You back Silas.
Silas. They can't so dear. Say, I hope on the bar. Quite a saying, oh, mammy, my dial high saying. Aha, three say, a beer, me fat backo, me fat master bedroom now. Now, Silas, a fat where backo now so swaffa backo. Oh, be fat master bedroom. And David, say, me fee. Aha. 2 minutes, me na me chum baby am beda. We are sitting here, said a minute, Miss Mida baby. Me fear you fear. Also fear me fear. It's I mean that master bedroom. Oh, then you can order the other bed. Yo, mathematics. Move from bag number and I'm chum demo. Sound. Silas. Yeah.
Oh, you what? Paul Salas, I dream with you. And Kumuni say, a daya cocu, a demo money dear. Nanka sika koko a good year name pembranie nanka yimuma nanso edan ya kwaku eko bie ma Paul ne Silas no esewani enye se me ka kire wo
kwaku o say ya dan ne wen
e wa ya dan kitu e bi wa ase ho ma park ni ma bi wo me guest room on mi ti pese me yi o na me nya ho yi mamuna me yi mu akoho so
it's na say
for the meantime o say me nya ho nti oba me pese ma twetwa na nemu
oh no kwa dey problem me kwa dey me twetwa obi ane me twa bibia
it's mu da hama me ansa why
enya he e beda e wi ana u wi ho na ya beda ho
what's it
koku
na wa be nyina na be sia
manye ni
koku
Silas
Kenisi humenisu maminti na chimbieno na
hey koku
Paul.
It's my one eh.
Meow.
Hey,
you wanna me sound no ankasa.
Me me hu sound no ankasa. Sound. Come on.
But koku.
Silas.
Dan na dia ko 2 minutes. No kra nya me enyim. Dan no musa.
I mean pa. Itam si mutumu no. So, me see guest room o wi ana ma packing ya ma clear ho yi na me yi mu akoho.
You know asa na say be kitchen.
E be kitchen o pa betimi atop e.
Go good. Ya get body and show how. Ya
me it's my guest house on tentem na me mo koho. Oh, me cry me nya message bi say ma ho ni ba. Hey, oso na mgba so aka kakra no edu. Esheshi.
Go. Esheshi. Go wait. Before say how one me body. I say you feel nanka ye ni bibia da ye ho ntinka wetimi anya kakra bia mayan nanka ye de aye 1 or 2 bi 3 or 4 bi
Paul
koku koku
mi amini
kakra bi ha na pa ye
mo amani ti ase me nya hoho sisi anti o se me nya ni bibia special oba na ni age so some feel like show few ko
okay awesome no ho no ba show
dey be see ma ho no o so ba o se me nya ni show ma bele no bi fiale
okay
na ni
Orian
yeah Orian no kwa na ma peka career ma mo so hu ade no
koku ate
koku okay let me ba ma pick call we
okay no problem gra
hello
Ojense na adwenso.
Ipade no fia no yojuba. Yeah. Osha Kumase.
Osire.
Oh, okay.
Asa Kumase.
Nutu ona. Oh, okay.
Nutumo. Ejuma.
No te ogalebe na ten. 25,000. Boy.
Ejuma Kumase.
Eko ya mi 25,000 le chale.
Nyaboter.
Eko ya mi warenche. No maybe. Next week. Oh, okay. Maba. On. Maba. Erado. Bye.
Paul, didn't know can. Also, what's when you do Kumase? When you do Kumase, okay, Obama 25,000 cities. Jumo. Hey, you this kabao. What school?
Yen me yenko ye bi ni enji skani bindi.
O de ehwe. Se ye ne netifia.
Ha 25,000. Ono duko skada da no mai ai.
250 million.
Anyway, anymore. Yana anymore.
Paul, Silas.
Ma dwena de no ha me unde kwaku me ahwa da wate yanka.
Wate yanka se ai den.
Da ya kwaku ogom.
Na ya kwaku odwuma ne fa ben. Ana ne fa ho ben.
Enti na dwene me yen papa enti no papa ba ma skani bin.
Oh, na no de na ye na so obi aye bone. Obi aye bone.
Obi ahona na wa ati do obi wa kwaku collection ho ogom da.
Nti no enti no be so be ma iska no. Oh, how?
Yen kokuma se ne.
Ya kwere okuma se.
Yen na adwuma no so kwai na ye kwa ebe bia yo.
Asa na adwuma kwa mi unu adwuma kwa bere no akokuma se ukosi ya no akosi kuma se.
Ya bo kwa hwehwe, ya bo hwehwe. Emi na owo ye na ma ba ne yentumi nye.
De bi mi na de bia metunya bibia na wo de table.
Emi nye table.
Na hwan?
Paul, bo hwa no ye yo.
Mi de kire.
Ana yen ona nu ntokra no ntum. Yen fo ne enko yiska ni bia.
Yenko wia koku.
Manka de yenko wia, me se yenko yiska ni bi.
Na wo yenko yiska na nya wia ne ko wia no.
Da bi se ba ka che, ne fa wia ne aka che.
Asesen. De nti wo ya me dwuma me ntiase. Wo be hwe obi ana ma mia me yonko brabo koku e na ko wia no.
Na so yiska.
Na wo wia na no nya de na afrim.
Sika na. Enye sika.
Me de koku de me pese me wia no.
Mate o me ko me na ko kasa ba.
Koi, Cobra.
Well, we are seeing a seven yobia. What's some yeah, more
Watch it.
Baby. Unam new this.
Insist ya wo ya me den. It also me
baby.
Oh yes, baby. Oh yes, darling. Coco, my love.
Baby, my love. Baby. Oh, baby.
Oh, baby. Oh, my God.
Hey, Kwaku.
Oh, sorry.
Hey! Yeah! What a small word, Ampa. Salasana, and da. Say, if we are seeing nipa baby, and go on one if a pamnia, one and a hard day, Freddy baby, and no babeshian on young Kokufio. Now, Salas, a babeshia baby, I will Kokufio. One what you say, ye? And no money, ma, or my can't go with him so mobile. A baby almost saying, Midian or Paniqua, me do a Mitaja Bekufio Abricuma. Watchana? Ahaya! And the Shiamie.